Hi guys, today we are going to unbox our Samsung WA75K4000HP washing machine, and we are going to see what are the contents of the box. So this washing machine can take 7.5 kg of load. As you can see, I have already cut off these straps, which will make it little easy for me to take off the lid. So let's see. Okay, so it's nicely packed, and as you can see, it comes in a very bright cherry red color. Okay, so this is how it looks. Now I'll remove the camera and we'll show you the inside of the machine. So here is the upper lid, and we open the lid. So nice, there is a thermocol packing, and then inside we have this. I don't know what it is used for, we'll check it. I think it is the rear lid of the machine, and then we have hose pipes for the water outlet, and then we have a hose for water inlet. And the good thing about this, and we have the instruction manual which we'll read before we install. And the good thing about this machine is in this machine you have a separate sink for pre-wash. Okay, so for example, especially for the Indian washing, like where your cuffs and collars are very dirty, so we always prefer to brush them before we put it in the washing machine. So it comes with a separate sink, and here you have a water inlet. Okay, you can select the water jet and the water flows through it. You can pre-wash your clothes here before putting in the dryer. And the other good thing about this machine is it comes with this type of dispenser for your soaps, right? So the good thing about this dispenser is it dissolves the detergent and the water properly, so that there is no after wash detergent residue left. Okay, so guys, in the next video we will see how to install this machine. And thanks for watching, and have a nice day. Bye bye.